friends, in this tutorial we will try to make two types of pattern. First is a diamond star pattern and secondly butterfly star pattern. So we are understand of good and better way in this Java programming start of a pattern. We are make a example with understand the code on all over the code and explore the next level your patterns this Java in another language for you. So try to understand what the case in this pattern. We are make some spaces for this code is a make some spaces. Firstly, that's it, it's a make of doesn't matter. That is a you are understand what the matter of this program. So we are trying to make a star of butterfly without any legs and is with print the spaces for in this program to a better way to understand the example. So first we are going to file and this is a my already make the boilerplate. He is unnecessary for the program. He is again make in the program for beginners and intermediate student. Make a data type of integer. I already function make of demonstrated pattern, so without a define any data type of functions. So initialize the data integer that finish the initialize the data, and secondly number is equal to 1 is the complete the code of without int. I'm not get int of without data types of initialize the value of 1. Secondly, we are start of first loop. It is a outer loop to handle the upper parts, and two types make a part of in this program. So this understand this is a half part of this program, and secondly this program is a half part. So now start the loop. What the matter of for loop? Firstly make the loop, complete my for loop, and we are in the make of for loop because it's what is the matter of this loop is work to inner loop at the print of space. So we are firstly make the inner for loop. It is the complete of a print the spaces loop. So print the spaces of your programs to remove your ln, because ln is make the second line of your print the spaces. So correctly way the make in this program we are make the correctly of accurate the code in this Java programming language in a VS Code with try to make without look your code and try to make a good code for the ever time. So take a second and I loop to print the star. So start the loop. Finally we are make the print the star of a print the program of print the star in this program to make a good code or without any mistake. So finally we are get some spaces in this program to make a system.out.println of the every line is a detect the code is a remove the print the code of ln is a make the second line. I'm again say you explain the every time do not remove your print ln, because you are spaces and get a enter spaces of your program to make a disturb the program. So this program is a completely copy and paste everything for enter the value. Copy this code or so paste or code in this program to correction some words and first of all we are take the value of n minus 1 is a make 2, and we are try to get of n is not less than is a greater than I is greater than equal to 1. We are trying to correction of this code n minus I is a greater than value of jj. It is a app wonderful website make a good enough. So please try to make understand for the situations. So in this correction after you are execute the code what the result of in this program to take and look the mistake of any debug and errors. So you don't hesitate to get a error in. Finally we are get some output. He's make a real diamonds of star make spaces and structured way of stars of diamond pattern, because diamond is a meaning of are not real diamond. Diamond is a make a four corner. In this program we are only make this program. So first that is first program of diamond pattern, and secondly program we are make the butterfly pattern. What the butterfly pattern is easy not easy is to currently here the code without any code print the some spaces and line together in this program to make a coefficient and efficiently working of a butterfly pattern. Butterfly pattern is not easy, because easy is not using the full loop of a pattern in this program to get some element with user id and input, with print the stars and spaces and get the value of any program to make a handle the power of part and outer loop and inner loop with both programs. So secondly, make the program to first is out the program and remove some element in this program. Can move in the program of firstly big for loop. For loop is using outer loop handle the part of stars, and they take some inner loop of both inner loop using spaces and stars. So firstly make inner outer loop. So this is a complete of outer loop and make after inner loop for the print the stars. So finally we are get print the pattern of make the program of stars. Star is a get of get start of without any space and remove the ln and say the extraction with your code. So remove, please remove the every time of your patterns. So today get make a new make a first star loop, after make a spaces loop of inner loop to print the spaces. To firstly we are get the integer id, that is not enough of get spaces and space get the name of space. Get a for loop integer, we are running the for loop some spaces in the program of to inner loop the print the spaces and counter the already get element of id. To third loop make a inner and outer loop of this is a inner loop to print the star of again the down star. So there are many make using for loop, that is a j equal to 1 and j minus 1 and j plus plus is a similar of first outer loop. So get a place element of id in this program to execute the code of system.out of print and print the star of inner loop. So firstly run the loop. So make a final get a element of the id and after make a of south with and print the blank line of a print ln, because ln is a doing of enter with print the star and enter print the star. So all over this for loop is a get element with a copy and then after paste the code of down. So get a value of some integerizer. So dedication of some like the different line of the them correction of this code. Firstly dedicated of the codes is less than or greater than n is placed to change the one is change the n line, because n is a some changing line of this code. He is print the outer loop to handle the lower part. So please take again of some spaces of correction with a code. Then down of your loop is getting the some situational of loop, because its loop is a make of a good enough the your space says down of a meaningful of sequence wise of two programs, that is a getted sometimes after or handle outer loop to handle the part lower part and inner loop to part of spaces, and third loop is a get element of id with a print the star. So finally get a drive function, or that is a complete the code, and finally we are execute the code. See so after we are see the code what is the mistake in this code, because error is I improve the coding in every coder. So what the executing code he is the executing code is some mistake in a for loop. So firstly I'm improve the some spaces and correct the error. Finally we are improve the code of this line is a mistake for some for loop in outer for loop of first part, that is given the equation of some errors to assisted interface of her or recorded to expected. So I'm improve the code and then after I'm execute the code for with a user input to get it is not user input actually, this is only code of make the butterfly pattern, and secondly we are execute the code. So finally this is a make of butterfly pattern, because butterfly pattern is a great pattern because he is not actual butterfly but he is try to make a better than butterfly. So if you are understand this code, so please like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.